Hello, my name is James Orton and I am with the Ottocast Mini Wireless CarPlay Android Auto adapter. Let's show you how it works. So for those of us that would like less clutter in our cars and to not have to fight over who gets access to the charging space, now you can conveniently have your Apple CarPlay and or Android Auto go wireless. And this works out great for lots of our Mazda products such as CX-5 and Mazda 3, specifically at lower trims that don't have wireless connectivity. This is going to make a lot of my clients happy, and now I can offer this as a convenient solution at delivery if need be. While I recommend reading the directions or instructions before use, if you're like me, I like to dive right in and see if I can figure it out myself. And sure enough, convenient setup is easy and near plug and play. Just have your Bluetooth turned on your phone and your ignition on your vehicle. Connect the necessary USB for your car or truck to the Ottocast device, as they have included both USB and USB-C connections. Now plug in your Ottocast device into your car's USB port and we're almost done. Press the connect button on the Ottocast adapter and notice the blue LED light blink. This allows activation and syncing to your phone and infotainment screen. Follow the prompts to allow access on your phone. And now you are in wireless connectivity and convenience in your ride. I want to thank Ottocast for reaching out to my channel and letting us review this product. It was a great experience. Fast shipping, connection was a breeze. So if you'd like an Ottocast mini device for wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, visit the description below. It has an affiliate link to the product. Thanks Ottocast, and we'll see you in the next video.